Hello everyone. So our today's topic is all about selecting specific things, or you can say that limited things from the table. So we have import mysql.connector. Then also we are doing that connection part: host equal to, user equal to, password equal to, and database equal to. And in our case, we have used my database as our database name. Cursor object created. Then cursor.executing means we are executing our SQL query. Select staff from student. So student is the table name, and we have kept the limit 5. That means we are interested in first 5 records, and then it will fetch all the records and it will get stored in my result. So using for loop, we will print in our output screen. And before we print, this is our student table, okay, where we have login table, where we have this much of data like ABC and demo, John, and all that things. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 records are there. Okay, so what we will do, instead of student we will write login. Okay, control S and then F5. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Fifth one is empty because we have one record which is empty, or you can say that what, blank. That's why it is showing empty. So this is how you can write the limit, or you can say that whatever you want, number of records, 5, 10, 15, 20, etc. Thank you everyone.